red color, yellow color, black color, green color, blue color, and brown color. So kids, now you draw A and use red color. A for apple. B for ball. C for cat. D for dog. E for elephant. F for fish. G for God. Kids, now you draw H, the alphabets of H, and use yellow color. H for helicopter. I for ice cream. J for joker. K for king. L for lion. M for moon. Kids, now you draw N, the alphabets of N, and use black color. And N for nose. O for orange. P for parrot. Q for queen. R for rose. S for sun. Kids, now you draw T, the alphabets of T, and use green color. T for teacher. U for umbrella. V for van. W for whale. X for xylophone. Kids, now you draw Y, the alphabets of Y, and use blue color. Y for yak. And last you draw Z for zebra. Brown color, yellow color, sky blue color, light green color, red color, black color, light pink color, dark green color, blue color, orange color, last one is purple color. So kids, now you draw alphabets, and first you draw A for apple. B for ball. C for cat. D for dog. Small letters alphabets of D. It's now you draw E for elephant. F for fish. G for God. Small letters alphabets of G. Kids, now you draw H for helicopter. I for ice cream. J for joker. K for king. Small letters alphabets of K. Kids, now you draw L for lion. M for moon. N for nose. Small letters alphabets of N. It's now you draw O for octopus. P for parrot. Q for queen. R for rose. It's now you draw S, the alphabets of S. S for sheep. T for teacher. U for umbrella. It's now you draw V, the alphabets of V. V for van. W for whale. X for xylophone. Y for yo-yo. Last one is Z. Z for zebra. Red color, yellow color, black color, green color, blue color, and brown color. So kids, now you draw A and U is red color. A for apple. B for ball. C for cat. D for dog. E for elephant. F for fish. G for God. Kids, now you draw H, the alphabets of H, and U is yellow color. H for helicopter. I for ice cream. J for joker. K for king. L for lion. M for moon. N for nose. Kids, now you draw O, the alphabets of O, and U is black color. O for octopus. P for parrot. Q for queen. R for rose. S for sun. T for teacher. Kids, now you draw U, the alphabets of U, and U is green color. U for umbrella. V for van. W for wheel. X for xylophone. Y for yo-yo. And Z for zebra. Purple color, black color, red color, pink color, orange color, brown color, light green color, blue color, light pink color, yellow color, green color, and sky blue color. So kids, now you draw 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Kids, now you draw 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Kids, now you draw 11, 12, 13, 14. Kids, now you draw 15, 16, 17, 18. Kids, now you draw 19, 20, 21, 22. Kids, now you draw 23, 24, 24, 25. It's now you draw 26, 26, 27, 28, 29, and 30. Blue color, yellow color, red color, green color, black color, and yellow ochre color. So kids, now you draw one and use blue color. One, O-N-E, one. Two, T-W-O, two. Three, T-H-R-E, three. Four, F-O-U-R, four. Five, F-I-V-E, five. The numbers are five. It's now you draw six and use yellow color. 6, S-I-X, 6. 7, S-E-V-E, and 7. 8, E-I-G-H-T, 8. 9, N-I-N-E, 9. And 10, T-E-N, 10. It's now you draw 11. The numbers of 11 and use red color. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. It's now you draw 16. The numbers of 16 and use green color. Green color. 16, 17, 18, 19, and last redraw 20. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.